Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketch effect in Photoshop. First, open your chosen image in Adobe Photoshop. It's a good practice to duplicate your background layer. This keeps your original image safe. Then, desaturate this new layer completely, removing all color to prepare for the sketch look. This initial setup is crucial for a clean start. Next, invert the colors of your desaturated layer. This will make the image appear like a negative. After that, change the blending mode of this inverted layer to color dodge. You'll notice the image almost disappears, which is exactly what we want. Adjust the layer's opacity, perhaps to around 80%, to begin seeing the subtle sketch lines emerge. Now, let's refine those lines. Apply a Gaussian blur filter to your color dodge layer. Start with a small radius, perhaps 1 to 3 pixels, and increase it until you see the sketch lines clearly. Then, open the levels adjustment. Drag the black and white input sliders inward to increase contrast and make your sketch lines bolder or finer, achieving your desired artistic style. For the final touches, consider adding a new layer for texture or subtle color. You can use a soft brush tool with a low opacity, around 20%, to add shading or highlights, giving your sketch more depth. Experiment with different blending modes like multiply or overlay on this new layer to achieve unique artistic variations. This allows for endless creative possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.